up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way.
If you wanna pump fake, let's do it. You coming with a squad full of niggas, I'm coming with 2 shooters. Who knew it? I'm licensed to shoot, but I don't wanna shoot. My whole life I've been trying to make myself dummy.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queen J, and welcome back to another video, baby. Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing this hair that I just received in the mail yesterday. Yesterday. I got this from Ishow hair. Before we get into this video, know this video, I am in one of them little videos you see in class, you know, when you're on the desk and be like, so. Alright, anyway. No, the video is not sponsored. No, this is not a paid promotion. They did not send me this hair. I bought this hair with my own hard-earned money. And this is going to be my summer hair. So hopefully all of the million, thousands, whatever, I watched reviews for forever. Hopefully all those views or tutorials and videos I watch of the hair, you know, having good reviews, works out in my favor because it took the hair a week and a half. A little bit over a week and a half, almost 2 weeks to get to me. Now, I'm not going to blame that on the company because, as you guys know, we are in quarantine. The coronavirus is still going around. So, who's to say, you know, what's going on, where the hair came from, which y'all know is in China. So, that's already far. But, yeah, it took almost 2 weeks to get to me. I ordered it. Today is Friday. I didn't order it this past Sunday. I ordered it the Sunday before that. So, yeah, it was almost 2 weeks. But FedEx did send me a message saying give us time, you know, this is the coronavirus, yada yada yada, so blah. So now I do have the hair. Well, I did already open and touch some of the hair, I'm not gonna lie. It's been almost 2 weeks, y'all, okay? My hair appointment is tomorrow. I have to change my appointment twice waiting on this hair. So yes, I did already go ahead and touch it. Your girl wanted to see how it was feeling, you know, if I needed to send it right back. What was up, but yeah, so, but that's all I've done. I haven't manipulated the hair or anything like that. It's still in the rubber band and stuff that it comes in, everything. I put it right back how I received it, but I just needed to make sure that since it took so long to get to me, that everything was going to be fine for my appointment tomorrow, because again, I had to change it twice. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So, like I said, it came in a FedEx bag, like so. You already know. So, inside the FedEx bag, it came in this little drawstring bag. Ishow hair, 100% human hair. Little cute pink bag, and it just shows all of the, I guess all of the vendors on the back. You know, the delivery, all that. Nothing that you really need to know about, I guess. So, I got 5 bundles and a closure. And then I'll probably be like, sis, what did you need 5 bundles for? As y'all can see, my natural hair is stupid thick. This is my hair in a ponytail. Not even in a puff, my nigga. So, I can't even do a puff anymore because it doesn't look right. If I do a regular puff and just pull it up without tightening it, the hair is like all down here, and I might as well just wear it out. So yeah, as y'all can see, my natural hair is stupid thick, and I like for my wigs, my units, all that to mimic that. Like I said in my last video, so you might want to go watch part 1 and part 2 of the unit I just made. So yeah, so let me pull all this out. Okay. Inside the bag, it was a card. I don't know what I did with it. Comes some lashes. I mean, I literally just had it. So along with the lashes came this card, and it's just basically a thank you card. Make a video, get $20 off over 4 minutes. Well, here's my video. Didn't see that. Thank you for choosing, $20 off on your next purchase. Thank you for purchasing our products. Are you happy with the products? Yada, yada, yada. So that's really all it is, just a thank you card. And if you make a video for over 4 minutes, you get $20 off your next purchase. So if you're a YouTuber like me, make the video. Anyway, so I have a I wonder if it's easier because it's a lot of stuff down here. I have a 20-inch frontal. 20-inch frontal. I have a 22-inch bundle. I have two 24s. So two 24s. And two 26-inch bundles. So altogether I have 5 bundles and a frontal. So and I'm actually going to be watercoloring this hair red as soon as I get done recording this. I'm on crunch time. I'm such a rush. Anyway, I have places to go, people to see, things to do, however the phrase go, places to go, things to do, places to be, I just said it a minute ago. Anyway, I got stuff to do. My birthday was on Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo, gang, Taurus was all out there in the world. But yeah. So I'm actually celebrating it tomorrow, which is Saturday. So that's why I'm in a rush. I have to do all the stuff that I have to go get the food, I go get the liquor, It's a lot. So I need to go ahead and finish this video, go ahead and record myself bleaching it and coloring it. Check that out. It's going to be part 2. And yeah. So this is the hair. I'm going to go ahead and open everything. Alright, so 4 hours later, I unboxed or I opened the hair, took it all out of the pack. Here are all 5 bundles, together. 22, 24, 24, 26, and 26. It looks very bouncy. It looks really healthy. The ends don't look thin. They're kind of all bent up because of how it was sitting in the bag, but that's not anything. So yeah. And this smells like hair. So and it just smells like hair to me. Here is the frontal. I'm super excited. This is my first time actually getting a frontal. Have I had a wig with a frontal? I don't think I've had a wig with a frontal either. I usually just have closures. But this is my first time having a frontal. So this is what the frontal is looking like. Now, Ishow hair. I don't know who cut this little piece. Nothing wrong with it. It's just this little piece of hair is everywhere. And I know this ain't going to be the baby hairs because that's too thick. But no, there's nothing that they did wrong. Nothing wrong with it. It's just funny to me because it's just right there. Like, what is that? But yeah, here's the lace. Let me show y'all the hairline. It doesn't look too shabby. It actually looks really good. I mean, I might have to go in and pluck, some pieces like here where it's just really thick, but it doesn't look too shabby. At first, I felt like the frontal was thin, but it is in its natural state. So, or the state that they give it to you in, it might change a little bit, of course. But, yeah, once you comb it out, it should be good. Brush it out, it's gonna, separate itself. But here's the frontal. Oh, yeah, by the way, this is deep wave. So I got deep wave, a 20-inch frontal, 22, 2 24s, and 2 26s in the bundles. Here is the lace on the back of my hand, just so y'all can kind of see. Y'all, this piece of hair is cracking me up. Like, they just, like, what is that? But no, for real, okay. Here's the lace on my hand. Like I said, the hairline actually looks pretty good. The knots definitely need to be bleached. I don't know for sure if I'm going to bleach them or not, because most times I just do my makeup because I just be a little bit lazy, and that's fine. It usually still comes out looking good, but these knots look like they really, I might just have to not be lazy today and bleach them, but we'll see. And I am actually going to get it installed tomorrow. I'm getting a sew-in, so I'm going to come back with some updated videos to let you guys know this piece of dust, how the hair is holding up. But here is the 22-inch bundle. It's the wefts. Now, this is my first time running my fingers through it. I told you guys I opened it just to touch it, to get an initial feel of the hair, just to make sure, I didn't wait all the time for nothing. But I haven't actually ran my fingers through it. As you can see, the rubber band, all that is still on there. So I'm just going to rub my fingers for the first time on camera. And of course it's not gonna glide all the way straight through because it is deep wave, but ooh, honey. Okay. So that's from the other bundle. So I didn't get anything from that. Run my fingers through it again. Just, need to comb out the texture at the end a little bit. I'm not really, okay, I got about 2 strands. No biggie, but I did get about 2 strands just now. Again, it is deep wave, so I'm expecting something to come out because it's just been sitting in that state. But the hair, the hair feels really soft. I just hope it doesn't tangle like this when I get done washing it and stuff. But that's just at the very end where all the hair is clumped together. Other than that, my hand is running through it nicely and it's gliding through. So this is a 22-inch bundle. Takes me down to about my mid-stomach. I am 5'5". You're wondering how long it's going to come down on you. So this is a 22-inch. And of course, like all hair is not straight black. It has like kind of red, brownish undertones. Fine by me, it's going to get colored anyway. Coronavirus. Don't touch your face. Okay. This is the 24-inch bundle. Well, both 24 inches together. The pattern of the wave pattern, curl pattern is just so pretty. Here are both 24-inch bundles. Is it just me or does this one look bigger? Not complaining, but I need all the hair I can get, which is why I ordered 5 bundles. And I'm expecting the lady who's doing my hair to squeeze all of this in my head. Okay, I have a big head and I like a lot of hair. So this is me running through the 24-inch. Now the 24-inch wasn't as bad to get through the bottom. Still a little bit of a snag, but again, it's been in the bag. And it is deep wave. It's not like, supposed to just glide straight through. Now, I did get some strands with that. Let me see. Here's what I got from both 24-inch bundles. Again, it's not really concerning me too much. Just because the hair has just been sitting. Like I said, it took almost 2 weeks to get here, so it's just been sitting. And it's deep wave, so, you're going to have to get through a couple of kinks and stuff. Okay, yeah. I got a few more strands. I'm going through both bundles at the same time. So this is the 2 24-inches together, but it is very soft. And like I said, my hair is going through easy, but it's just been sitting, so you're going to have to get through it. So I'm not too concerned about the hair coming out. As long as it doesn't become excessive, we good to go. And I can already tell y'all right now, this hair is about to be so big because I ran my fingers through it a little bit, but it's fluffed up quite nice, which is a good thing because I like a lot of hair. These are both of the 26-inch bundles together. Again, curl pattern, so pretty. I'm just gonna run my fingers through these like I did the other 3, can't count. I already see some hair coming out in my hand, but again, the hair has been sitting, so I'm trying not to get too worried. We're going to see how it acts once I bleach it, watercolor it, wash it, all that. So this is what I have gotten. That's quite a bit from the 2 26-inch bundles. I'm running my fingers through it. And I know I'm going to get even more shedding once I bleach it because, the bleach kind of tangles it up too if you don't keep it detangled. So that's from the 26-inch bundles. And I'm not going to keep running my fingers through it just to keep being like, oh, more hair. That's going to happen. But yeah, let me run my hands through the frontal too. Let me see. Yeah, this piece of hair in the front is cracking me up. It looks like a bird. Like, they just took it like, they're not going to do the baby hairs anyway. Tip. I mean, they just took a piece and just clipped it. They didn't care about how it laid down, nothing. Which is fine. We're going to have to manipulate it, obviously. It's just so funny that it's just right there popped up like that. Like, and it's not cut anywhere else on the front, so that's why it's funny. It's just straight in the middle. It's not like that anywhere else. That's what is so funny to me. But anyway, so just brushing, running my fingers through the frontal. Just to see. Okay. Now this does worry me a little bit. This is all of the hair that I have gotten from running my fingers through the frontal. And as y'all just saw, I wasn't running too vigorously running my fingers through it that vigorously, but I did get quite a few strands for it to just be the frontal. And I'm still collecting quite a few. This is another ball of hair. This is all from the frontal. I haven't picked up anything else. Okay, so that is concerning because here's another ball. This is all from the frontal. These last 3 balls of hair are all from the frontal. I'm not going to keep running my fingers through it. Again, I know it's been sitting. I know it needs to be brushed out, so I know some hair is going to come out. But those 3 balls of hair were a little concerning because this is just the frontal. And as you know, the frontal only has so much hair. So if that continues to come out that way, then it's going to thin out. But let's just, pray and hope and pray that that's not the case. But anyway, that is all of the hair. It's not really too much to say. Lashes came in the pack. A little thank you card came in the pack. Again, I have a 20-inch frontal. I have 22, 2 24s, and 2 26-inch bundles. I do plan on having her install every piece of hair in my head unless it's just impossible to push every piece of hair in my head. But if not every piece, as close as possible to the full 5 bundles that I can get. I do have a pretty large head, and I have a lot of hair. So I like for my units installs to mimic my hair. But all in all, the hair feels really soft. It doesn't have any smell to it. The curl pattern is still here even after running my fingers through it. The only thing that's concerning to me is the shedding because I did get quite a few strands from the frontal. As y'all saw, I pulled out 3 little balls. I had 3 little balls of hair after combing my fingers through the frontal, so that is kind of concerning. But other than that, I'm trying not to get too worked up about it because the hair has been in those rubber bands, it's been in those plastic baggies, and it's been on the way to me from China for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now. So just like my natural hair, once I comb these curls out, I'm going to lose some hair too. So I'm trying to think on the positive side with that because hair is meant to shed, especially when it's wavy, curly, whatever. It's going to shed more than straight hair normally would because you get tangles, you get snags, yada, yada, yada. But that's pretty much it. 20-inch frontal, 22-inch bundle, 2 24s, and 2 26s. The hair is really soft. I don't have much of a smell. I'm getting ready to go ahead and cut this off and start back recording again. I'm going to bleach the bundles. I'm going to bleach the closure using some BW. I ain't gonna tell y'all, watch the video. I'm going to bleach the bundles and bleach the closure to about a strawberry blonde, and then I'm going to watercolor it. So make sure you click that like button, click the subscribe button, and come back to my channel when I upload the video of me watercoloring it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend to do the same daggone thing. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, and I'm out.